I don't know what's going on, but I'm on the train and I'm trying to get home. I'm trying to get home. Time is near. The time is near. The end of time is near. We live in the last days, guys. We can be all gone by tomorrow. We live in the last days, guys. We can be all gone tomorrow. Last days of Revelation. We are the last generation. The last generation. Yep. We're sure to live in the last days. I will tell you everywhere you go, you will see signs. You will see things that you never see before because it's just the time. It's just the time. It's just the time is near. Just the time is near, God. So life is what it is. Just gotta take it one step at a time, you know, one step at a time. And from you have a good heart, and you have a clean hands, and you have a pure heart, and you believe in God, you shall always prosper. You will be stronger than a lion, and no one will be able to conquer you. Because the wisdom that God will give to you and the strength that God gives to you, you will always be strong. Nothing can go through you. God lives in your heart. God lives in your mind. God lives in your blood. God created human being. God is God and no one can be God. No one can try to be God because only one God, one love, one nation, one God and one love and one nation. Love each other. Share with each other. Bear each other pain, but it's one God and it's one nation. One God and one nation.
This is a Crown Heights bound.
When you have God, you fear not.
The next stop is
God is always your protection.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
And you fear not. When the devil scares you away and you get afraid, you run away, he will just follow you. You have to stand up to him and you have to say, no, God lives in me. God lives in me. The blood of Jesus Christ lives in me. The blood of Jesus Christ is with me. And the blood of Jesus Christ cover me. The blood of Jesus Christ reign. The blood of Jesus Christ always prevail. The blood will wash you clean. Every sinner's got soul, and I sure got some soul even though I'm a sinner. Trust God in everything you do. You never fail. Trust God. Only God. Trust God. Only God.